Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. So I recently came across another new friend down here in Southern Illinois with his own welding business, and he makes these aluminum custom-made fuel tanks for your truck. I ordered a 25-gallon one, and he custom makes them to whatever size you want. So as you're going to see here, this fuel tank fits under my tonneau cover, and it saves me a lot of headache for carrying around them 5-gallon jugs for my machines out in the field. And his prices are literally probably about half of what you can buy these for in Rural King or whatever. So I'm going to just show you the video on how the tank works and how I've used it so far, and I'll put all of his information in the description below, how you can contact him if you're in this quad state area: Southern Illinois, Western Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, or even Indiana. It might be worth your trip to do that, because this is going to save me a lot of headaches. So let's take a look at these custom tanks. In hindsight, I wish I'd have ordered a bigger one, to be honest. They do come with different pumps, a diesel pump and a gas one. You need different pumps because the gasoline corrodes the seals in that more than diesel, but he's on top of that. So let's get into it, and if you contact him, best of luck with this. Thanks a lot.